minutes de plus ou de moins
I will have early to watch this race start. So many people. Imagine how many people are gonna be here at the UTMB. It's 8 a.m. bad weather. Next time I need to find a better place to film. Let's go! And they run. Time to go to sleep. That's the UTMB start. One day I'm gonna run. Next one, 1 p.m. finish. I have the worst camera. Wow. If you found me because of UTMB, I just like traveling. I like mountains, so I decided to travel to Chamonix and watch UTMB, but don't expect anything. I just gonna walk and film something. Now I'm at a train station. I'm gonna try to recharge my phone. Oh my god, this weather. I can watch this train like for hours. Spend some time in the car. All times look amazing. Can't imagine that I'm here. Remember last time I was watching this in like live stream. That shit.
Bravo mon Vince, 4e place. Allez les applaudissements pour votre frère. Allez, mesdames et messieurs de Six Flags, come on.
There's the podium, finish line, and those mountains in the back. Every single time it's so exciting to cheer people. Those guys run like 40 kilometers. I didn't check, by around 3 hours. It's this weather, it's crazy hard. Those are...
Yes, yes.
I want to cry when I see parents running with their kids to the finish line. So inspiring. Okay, I'm buying new shoes and I'm starting and I'm training hard. Finishing this line, people cheer you. What an accomplishment. When you don't want to train, remember this moment. Go to this mountain, hike, run. It's worth it. Race field. Very expensive camera and I use this. UTMB official store. As you know, I'm not buying a lot of things, but something from UTMB. This Citroen, that would be perfect size for my camper van. I'm gonna run with Bruno in this 24-hour test. Should I test whole car? Dacia, my favorite car company. Nice shoe, but why is so narrow? I don't even want to try them. I cannot afford them. Speedgoat 5 costs 160 euro. I don't even want to know how comfy they are. Here you can buy products, the running, and I think on the opposite side you have the other trail races. Because when you want to run in UTMB, you have to run like qualification race. Did you saw that? I talked to camera in public. What's going on? Woohoo! 60 euro. I thought it's gonna be more, not bad. I have my 4F hoodie, Polish company. UTMB hat for 30 euro. Trail socks, 20 euro. Look at this queue. You don't have a lot of sound to wear this. That's the lesson when you make a good product like UTMB. People love this race. People will buy your merch like crazy. This side you have even more stores. Salomon on the left side, Nike. I didn't know that the New Balance does like trail shoes. I prefer this than like the N symbol. This looks much better for a lot of people in Garmin. So many things that you can spend your money on. I only knew this company because of Jeff, the best YouTube channel about trail running. He promotes this, so I believe that, yeah, as a camper. The best thing, like everyone is a winner. Everyone who's finishing this place is a winner. That's why I love ultra. Did they run with this in Montaigne? 1,000 runners running this race. Still running. 7:30 prize ceremony. I need to go to my car, grab the next jacket. It's so freaking cold. Okay, I'm gonna rest in my car for a moment and go to the ceremony. What a bad weather. No. One cold in the world there. Can't wait to see her running.
Ensemble avec l'UTMB, expérience et des sous-portées.
Entire week with you here in Chamonix, Mont
I feel like a journalist on a mission. Even if no one's gonna watch that, just being here, it's so fun.
From France, Joël Thibault.
L'Italie, en 4 heures. Applaudissements. Notre championne du monde 2023. Et s'il vous plaît, les applaudissements. Maximum d'applaudissements pour le scratch. Au monde.
2023 MCC champion.
TDS. Fleury, j'ai hâte de voir.
And that's it for today. I thought about like interviewing people, but I don't think I'm at that level of introvertism. How to say that? I barely can film in public. I definitely should go to sleep. Tomorrow I'm gonna stand here all night watching people finishing this run TDS Chamonix at night. 75-year-olds run this race. Should I panic to the finish line? That should be the end of this video. It was first day, 28th of August 2023. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, back to normal life where I need water to brush my teeth.